We are out here in Hollister, California for Syncrofest 2024. We're out here in the beautiful Hollister Hills, the recreation area, the annual Syncrofest get-together. Beautiful weather, guys, right now. It's about 80 degrees on Thursday afternoon. Everybody is starting to arrive. People are setting up. More people will start arriving tomorrow, Friday, but this is day one of Syncrofest 2024. It's been a few years since I've been here, so I'm excited to be back, hanging out with a bunch of my friends, and we're gonna go check it out, guys. Let's check out a very chill Thursday afternoon setting up for Syncrofest. So yeah, last time I was here was 2019, so it's been quite a while. We had, the 2 COVID years where it didn't happen. Last 2 years I just wasn't able to come, so I'm happy to be back. All my friends are here, and it's nice. It's nice. Everybody just, it was like, you just saw them last week, so it's pretty cool. Mostly remembered everyone's names, but yeah, look at this. So people are gonna start cooking their dinner as well right now. So I think I'm gonna cook dinner too. I'm gonna make some tacos tonight for dinner, but I gotta let my meat thaw just a little bit. So taking a little bit of a break in the Westie, watching Beverly Hills Ninja. it's been go ever since this morning, like loading up, driving, unloading, so getting set up. It's just been a busy day, so a little bit of chill time before dinner. All right, it's taco night. Warming everything up right now, getting it preheated. Got my taco meat, got some seasoning in here. Tiki time beer. It's chill. Sun is setting out there. Just a nice evening, guys. Oh, my little lights haven't turned on yet, though. Wonder when those will turn on. Should be soon. Maybe I gotta turn them on manually. As soon as I hit pause, they turned on. It just needed like 2 more seconds. These are from Five Below, actually. They were $5, and they're solar power. So not bad. I mean, still a little sun out, but time to eat. Let's make some dinner. The Thing. I watched this thing being built in his indoor pool in his backyard. That is so cool. Last time I seen this, it was in your pool.
Dude,
remember that?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh, I love it, dude. It's alive. There we go. Yes. So cool. It's cruising that thing around. Last time I saw that, like I said, you heard me. It was in his pool. Yep. We were there. First time? Was 19? There we go. That was one of my buddies. They're a deaf family. They're so cool. I have a sticker right there that says 2019 Syncrofest, and he was like, I was there too. I'm like, yeah, I think that's actually the first time we met too, was there. So pretty cool, actually. What am I doing? Oh, I need a spoon for my meats. But yeah, that thing he built in his garage is pretty freaking cool. Very cool. I saw that thing. It was like on a, he has a pool in his backyard, an indoor pool, and he had it like on a rotisserie thing, and it was just pretty hilarious. He was painting it and doing all the body work on there. How much meat do I want, guys? I want a bunch of tacos. Might as well just make it all, right? Let me just make it all. I don't know why I'm like not gonna make. There we go. Make it all. Where are my napkins? Yeah, so that was pretty cool. He had that back there, and God, it was so freaking awesome. Got my taco seasoning that sits on my magnet above. I wanted to cook outside this trip. I didn't want to cook in the Westie. I wanted it to be more, you know, like camping, you know. So a couple chunks in there. Yeah, look at that. That's looking good. Oh, it smells delicious. I thought the camera tracks me. It's so flipping cool, right, guys? Isn't that pretty awesome? Tiki time. It's a tropical wheat beer. Put a little bit of lime juice in there. Perfect, guys. So delicious. Yeah, my meat was a little bit. I froze it overnight, all my meat, and put it in the cooler. And the cooler's doing its job because it was still. I mean, it's taco meat, so it's easy to thaw out. But I should have pulled it out a little bit earlier. I think I'm gonna make steaks tomorrow, so I gotta pull those steaks out much earlier tomorrow. Sun keeps setting just a little bit more. God, isn't that beautiful? Look at this shot, guys. Look at this. Tell me that's not like beautiful. Oh, that might be the thumbnail right there, guys. I love this shot. Oh, and look at, we got another friend that just pulled up. So cool. There's like 10 people in that thing right now, guys. That is flipping awesome. You hear the woos every time they roll around. He's picking up new people every time. Taking them on a little cruise around. Look, hidden Mickey. I love this grill too, guys. It's so freaking good. Camp Chief Rainier. It's got the griddle, and then you got the burner on the other side. I have an extra burner if I need it, but God, this thing is so perfect. Works out great. Tomorrow I might make pancakes for breakfast. I don't know. I might wait for like Saturday. Louisiana hot sauce. Delicious. Tacos and beer. Let's go. Alright, salute. Dinner time. So good, guys. Alright, dinner's done. Dishes are clean. Kitchen's clean. Decided to turn on my little hurricane lantern tonight just to give a little soft glow over here. We have the fire going right next to the Westie. Kind of a perfect location, right? Check it out. I want to show you guys the inside. I want to show you guys my Westie, the inside. I changed up the lighting a little bit, and I put in a black light. It definitely looks blue on camera, that's for sure. But look, I got a little disco light kind of star thing going. Spider-Man's glowing over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm excited to go to bed tonight. Gonna be chill. Party in the Westie. That's nice, right? All right, time for the fire though. This is beautiful out here, guys. All the lighting is so nice. Fire. We're just kind of chilling. Chit-chatting first night together. A little dark over there. We'll fix that tomorrow. There's Derek's Westy. Looks pretty, right? Sean's over there. Westphalia. Right there, guys, on Instagram. Got a doggy running around. Alright, time to chill, guys. I might take a walk around, check out some other campfires too, but this is the rest of the night, guys. It's about, let's see, what time is it? And it is 9 o'clock. So, chill time. Alright, we got a little Blair Witch going on because I, had to turn my flashlight around on me, but God, it is like so quiet except for all the conversations out here, guys. And it's just everybody catching up. Everybody knows each other from like somewhere, and the stories I'm hearing as I'm walking are just fantastic. Like, it's so cool. And the stars, like, I wish you could see the stars right now because they are just glowing so bright. We're like miles and miles away from any kind of natural city light, and even Hollister itself is not like a big city, so the light itself there is not like, overpowering where it bleeds out here into the the mountains. So the stars are just as pretty as I've seen in a long time. I wish I could show you guys it. God, and it's clear. It is so clear. You saw the blue skies earlier today, and it is super clear outside right now. So yeah, we're supposed to get rain on Saturday. It's Thursday night right now, so we're supposed to get a little bit of rain for a few hours on Saturday. We'll see if that dies down. We'll see if it either like completely misses us or if it like completely gets us. Sean and I were talking earlier, and that's kind of like what it could be. We could either just get it all or we can get none of it. So we don't know. I'm gonna wander around a little bit more. That was hilarious. I'm trying to record the marshmallow roasting, and the commentary is great.
Awesome. I'm glad you caught that.
Smoke in my eyes. Check out this hammock system. We got a high hammock up here, and you got the double hammock over here. Let me see if I can get a better shot for you guys. Works out perfect, right? You got two hammocks here, and you got the one up high over there. So cool. Alright, guys, about to call it a night for day one. Lots of fun. I can't wait for the next 2 and, well, a half days, because we got Friday, Saturday, and then everybody packs up and goes home Sunday. So very fun night. It's a little bit late. It's 11:30, so some people are still out there. I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I'm actually gonna lay down and watch the rest of Beverly Hills Ninja, and just chill. So, all right, guys, see you tomorrow.